You go.
Welcome to my closet. The shoe area is one of my favorite parts. I love all my shoes. I can't really say I have a favorite, but I do love these. And of course, I love these. I love them all. It just depends on what I'm wearing, where I'm going. Also, I love my purse display. And again, I don't really have a favorite purse because I love them all. Love them all. And I have not just one, but I have two.
Anything out of here?
What was that?
Anything out of here you want to look at?
I love my red Chanel. I think it's beautiful. I love it. I love displaying it here with all my other reds and golds. Love it.